Hello and welcome. I'm going to do a quick review of my new Dewalt T-Stack box, and it's a 440mm deep box. It retails at Toolstation for £40. Their part number's 37042. I wasn't sure if I'd bought the right box when I bought it, and I've just spent the last 10 minutes filling it up. So I'll show you what I've managed to ram into it. I've rammed into it a Milwaukee M12 charger. A DCB 113 Dewalt charger. A bag of adapters for impact tools. My M12 Dewalt ratchet. A mini torque wrench. Spare Dewalt battery. A socket rail. And then all my screwdriver bits. They all live down there. That's just in the top bit. I'll just chuck them back in. As you can see, they all fit in and the box actually shuts. Okay, so let's get that out. Let's go into the box. Yep, it's rammed in there. No, none of the tools have got batteries on them. One 12-volt Dewalt battery. One 2 amp hour 18 volt. 4 amp hour. What else have we got hiding in there? Another 12 volt 2 amp hour. So that's two 12 volt batteries. A 5 amp hour Dewalt battery. Another 4 amp hour 18 volt. Another 4 amp hour 18 volt. Is that those done for batteries? Oh no, that may be a done for batteries. I think that's just done for batteries. Two 12s, a 2 amp hour. Yeah, these are the tools I've got in there. Ah, there's another battery there. Another 2 amp hour 18 volt. Let's just lay out everything that's just come out of that box. That is everything that's just come out of that box. A DCF 899 half-inch impact gun, that's come out the box. A DCD 796 drill, that's just come out the box. A DCF 887, that's just come out the box. That's quarter drive. A DCF 902, that's just come out the box. Two 12 volt batteries for that tool. Two 2 amp hours, one 5 amp hour, and 3 4 amp hours. They will come out the bottom of this box. And they all go back in. Okay, the struggle was real. It does go back in. All the tools are back in, all the batteries are down there. Dewalt charger's got to go there. Sorry, Dewalt there, Milwaukee there. One battery's got to go there. And then genuinely, can't do this with one hand. This is it. Okay, so as you can see, that box will swallow an awful lot of stuff. It's only the second time I've loaded that box, so I might find a better way of loading it, but I don't think that was bad for a first attempt, and then a first attempt to reload. So there you go. That's the deep box. Tool station's number 37042. You can have a look for itself on their website. As I say, the box is £40 and it takes an awful lot of kit. Really happy with the purchase.